The heat ripple plane can be found under SASSE Library Effects Fire. We're going to drag and drop this into the scene, though this is one that requires a bit more setup. So let's rotate it on the x-axis or the y-axis. I'm just going to move it a little, and then I'm going to add a Suzanne. So if we look through here, we can see our Suzanne is distorted. If we hit play, we can see it's sort of wobbling around. Her image is kind of wobbling around. So this is meant to impart that same effect of like heat refraction or dissipation, where the air is very hot and it's distorting the image of what appears behind it. This is something you might see coming off a hot road or the hot desert. You can increase the speed, and you can decrease the scale if you feel like it's too much, and yeah, something like that maybe is kind of making it a little more apparent what this does. And I found sometimes I have needed a reflection capture to get the actual image that I want. So if we look in here, we can see it's reflecting the background and the character. Here we can see we just have the character. Sometimes it won't grab the character, it won't grab the background. You can just add a light probe as a sphere, make sure it's large enough to cover, and then if you bake lighting, you should see the effect happening then. So it did update a little there. Not maybe a huge difference in this particular instance, but it is giving us a slightly different effect with the baked lighting. But that is how to set up and use the heat ripple plane, and if you, like I said, if you're not seeing it, then you may just need to add a light probe.